So, once you've logged into your WordPress website, you will notice that this website has been built using Divi theme. I won't touch on these ones first. I will take you through how to make changes, especially the text changes and the image, or how to change your image. Now, from within the dashboard, you just click on, over here, and then click on visit site, which will take you to the home page. This is how the home page looks like. I understand that the changes that you want to make are here, or maybe, and also maybe here, and then here, and here. So here's one thing you need to understand. When creating a website using Divi, Divi lets you create a website using what we call the modules. The modules are just but the tools. For example, if I want to insert an image like this image here, I can insert that image using a module called the image module. For the text, we insert the texts using the modules that we call the text module. There are other modules. There are so many modules. Like in this case, this is a button. This one was inserted using a button module. What else is on this page that I can show you? Actually, those are the only modules that have been used on this page. Yes, on this one here has been inserted using what we call the social follow module. Yeah. And then when building a website using Divi, first, one thing you need to understand is that there is what we call the sections. So like in this case, you may find that the whole of this one here up to here is a section. So this first section is also made up by what we call the rows. The rows, in this case, you'll find that there is maybe one row. And then within the rows, we have what are called the columns. Like in this case, this one has two columns. There is this column, number one, and then the column number two. Then within the columns, we have what are called the modules. So in this case, I have this module here. This is a text module, another text module, another text module, and then this is an image module. So we have the bigger one, which is the section. So within the sections, we have the rows, and then within the rows, we have the columns, and then within the columns, we have the modules. That's how it works. So to make a change within a page, you just need to click on this button here at the admin bar, which tells you to enable the visual builder. Once you've clicked on this, it will take you to a page that looks like this. So this is the section. The section has this blue color, and then for the row, it has the green one. So within the row, we have uh, the columns. Like in this case, this is a 2-column row. So this column 1, and then the second column 2. So within the columns we have the text modules. So in this case, you can change this module, or you can change the content of this module by just hovering over this. These are the icons. You see the first icon, this lets you move the icon. This lets you move the module. This one lets you edit or make changes or settings within that module. This lets you copy. This lets you save to library. And then this lets you delete. So in this case, like let's say we want to make a change here. You click on the module settings, and then you will be able to see the text. So the text, these are the tools that are common with every, or even the classic editor. You can change the paragraph, you can bold, you can italicize, you can, anything that you want to do. And then once you've made the changes that you want here, like this one is a headline, or a heading, it's H1. You can change this to, let's say, H2 or H3, whichever the size that you want. But because it's a heading, you can go with, let's say, H1. So I was going with H1 in this case. And then if you want to adjust the sizes or everything, or even the color of this heading, you go to design. Okay. Once you are at the design, start with the text. So text is this part here. You can change the font